Hello. So this video is being made for two reasons. One, to introduce you to my setup of how these exams were taken in a 2.5-day period, and two, for posterity for next semester, so that I can follow this somewhat efficient system of studying for the exam, researching for it, and putting data together and then putting it on paper. So the question paper was released on Friday and the submission is today, Monday. And 4 papers. Each paper has 7 questions. We have to choose 5 questions out of each paper, and each answer has to be at least about 1000 words long. So 5000 words per paper, 20,000 words. But the answers have to be research based because this is an online exam and we have access to books and internet resources and so on and so forth. Also, please, for the purpose of this video, please do not miss the product placement. There is Milk Bikis right there, and I'm hoping to get a commission out of them for the advertising. So as soon as the question papers arrived, I downloaded the question papers, and this is paper number 1, paper number 2, paper number 3, paper number 4. These are just the question papers. And I immediately created empty shell of Word documents for what would need to be the framework of just basic name, paper number, roll number, page number kind of details, just to have a basic framework going. So the Word documents were created here. The next thing that I did was, for each paper I wrote down the question numbers. So right now I'm at a random page for paper number 3, which is 1.2.7 airline management. And what I did for each paper was I selected the questions that I wanted to attempt. So here apparently I wanted to work on question number 2, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. Then for each question I carried out the empirical research, so to speak, which was basically to see if there's information available for it in the books, and if not, or if inadequate, or if very poorly presented, which was for the most part was the case, then refer to the internet. Then, because I'm not very internet savvy, I'm extremely proud of what I was able to do here. So in the bookmarks bar, I was able to create a bookmark each for each of the papers. Oh, I love my reflection. I love my reflection on the screen right now. So let's say this was paper number 1, which was domestic air laws in India. Question number 1, 2, 3, 6 are all available here. Similarly for paper number 2, all the references are available here. For paper number 3, all the references are available here, and for paper number 4, all the references are available here. Another challenge in the process was certain questions had subparts, and because you could not exceed the word limit, so I wrote down the rough word count of each of the questions. So for example, part A had 565 words and part B had 357, which was within the word limit. I don't know if there's a negative mark for exceeding the word limit, but I just wanted to stay within the framework. Bas uske baad it was I want to say it was simple, but it was not. It was a pain in the ass. But this is what we did. Let's say, although I started in reverse order because my research was done in this order, so I wanted to go back in this order so that this was the most current in my head. And bas uske baad I just started attempting the questions, and but I'll admit, by the end of it I was in no position to go back and proofread. I didn't bother. So I don't think it's factually incorrect. I also don't think it's grammatically incorrect. It may just be incoherent at times, but so am I, so big deal. Bas, and uske baad, once the Word document was created, it was converted into PDF because we were submitting PDF format, and that was it. Of course, if there were any questions that I was not able to answer or not able to address in one sitting, they were all written down here and they were addressed when I had the opportunity next. So we're done. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful experience.